Come with me in a day in my life. And I hope you enjoy watching. Natugtog na sa taas. Nandito pa rin kami.
1 hour later.
Hi everyone. Kakatapos lang ng misa. And nakatapos lang din namin kumain. Nandito na rin naman tayo and hindi pa ako ayos. Dito na ako mag-get ready with me. I got my black pouch.
1 eternity later.
Down payment, 8,044. I just get to blend that, don't worry. 844. Maglalaro kami ni Julia. Basketball.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! I'm stressful. I need to calm back. Hi everyone. Dito mo! Bati na tayo, huwag ka mag-alala. Smile ka. I will show you my alumni card. Class of 2026, diba? Cute niya, diba? Parang wala siyang problema dito. Parang hindi siya nagpaka-stress sa SIP. Hindi halata. Wallet rin tayo. So this is my wallet. This is my Celine wallet. Regalo ng office mates ni mama sa akin for my 18th birthday. So when you open, and you have the zipper. Tapos you have a baby picture of me. Aww. Starbucks card, SMAC, BDO, and my alumni card. These are resibo. Tapos, meron din akong may pera siya. Normally kasi, said na said to, as in pati barya, this. So, that's my wallet. Yun lang. It can be back actually. You can also put something in here. So yeah. But I don't put something in here kasi I don't know what to put. But there's a risk of baka matanggal, diba? This is my other wallet. These have coins. Pamasahe. Ay, hello mo. Iba mo lamig. Ano ba? One-on-one talk. Pinapanood niya yung isa kong vlog. Sino nga yun? Sabi ni Mami, isama ko daw sa vlog ko. Murder siyang chocolate cake. Tapos we have caramel white latte. Let's see. Ay, cute! Cute naman ang angle kapag nandito. Taste test. Paano to? We're gonna try. Wala pa yun. I think it's supposed to be a fork. Ano? May chocolate ka daw sa ngipin. Sabi na mamay kanina, nung pinapanood niya yung isa kong vlog, Buti na lang daw maganda ako. Oh, bobo naman ko. Mami, makakancel ka na. So, we're back sa supermarket kasi bibili kami ng supplies ni Inay. Hi ka. So, taga-tulak natin today.
Daddy, pwede po ba bumili tayo ng cheesy ni Goring?
Go.
Cheesy. Oh, Goring. Cheesy.
Wala dyan na ba?
Ito. Lima. Iging anim pag uwi natin. Kuha ka. Oh, ba't mo sinarad gawin? Sorry.
Oh.
Hello guys. Tinan mo guys. Cheesy burger. Spicy ramen. Model.
Model. Oh, balik tayo. Kuha pa tayo.
Let's go.
Anak, makatama, be careful. Masarap ba yan? Cheesy mi goreng?
Masarap mami, manghang pati. Parang may goreng kaso manghang.
Anong parang may goreng? May goreng naman.
Yung regular, yung hindi ganun kaanghang. Huwag yung sabi malaki ulo ko.
Malaki naman talaga ulo.
Ikaw nga rin nun eh.
Normal naman yun at baby ka. Kasi Chuy nakaputi.
Wala ka, white yung sinabi ah.
Ako din, naka-blue nga din ako eh. Parehas tayo ng pangbaba.
Akin naman ay like, yung
Kumbaga yung outfit ko, pinagsama nung fit ni Mami tsaka ni Chuyan.
pwede na yun sa kanila.
Yeah. Ikaw nang mag-take over. Lang.
Really?
Ayoko. Have to ready my smack.
Okay naman.
Diba? Go. Mali mo, ma-prestige ka, no?
Kaya nga eh.
Eh, sabi mo, pag masyado na marami points mo, ako naman.
Naman. Eh, kaya hindi mo nakabot.
Gusto niya kasi magpa-prestige. Eh, hindi kinabot.
Hello! Good job. Ngalay ako.
But steady lang, ganun lang. Malikot. Gagalaw. Eh, inupuan ni Chuyan tumabingi. Tabi dyan. Ba't pabaliktad ka naman kasi magtulak? We're going home. Bye-bye. Gusto ko na umuwi. Thank you for the 8 hours, SM. I want to go home. I was so overstimulated. Ang daming tao kanina. My body was tired, my mind was tired. I was so drained na kanina. Na-overstimulate ako, ang dami ng tao. Tapos, si Chuyan, ang tigas pa ng ulo, hindi nakikinig sa akin. I've already put the groceries away. I'm just gonna rest. I'm gonna take a short nap. Bye-bye. Ganun ako mamaya. Bye-bye!